Sharifa just nailed it, and we are back with day 8 and 24 days of Christmas with Charlie's Advent Calendar. So today, we're on to day number 8. We have finished our first week. And we're going to do some nail art. I have a nail here on standby. We need to find out what is in our package. So we will do one nail with the one item. We got little reindeer. Aw, there's 2 little reindeer in this package, and kinda don't want to use them. But we will. I'll have them flying through the night sky. I need my red polish. Here we go. We're going to paint the nail red. This beautiful, luscious Christmas red. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. All giveaways, anything special or important happening on my channel. We're going to pop this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I think we might add some red hollow pigment. This is an old product by She Modern. There's Red Hollow. Hollow, baby. Hollow, Erica. Red Hollow. Glitter foil, or glitter color. So we're going to add that on top of the red polish. And I'll be using She Modern's gel stencil glue. And then we got our cute little reindeer by charliesnailart.co.uk. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's company. And my code is, drumroll please, Nailed It 10. You can use that at checkout and save yourself 10% off the entire bill. Ouch. Help me help you. Help you to help me. I greatly appreciate my code being in. We are back out of the lamp. We're going to add some sensitive gel. We are going to have the red hollow pigment. Stick this back in the lamp. Alrighty, we are back out of the lamp. We are going to now go in with our red hollow. This is a free pouring bottle. Make sure you get your sides. With the free pouring bottle, you're going to end up with some wasted product, unfortunately. As you see, which ain't that bad. Press it down into the glue. Rub, burnish it in. I do not wipe the nail off at this point at all. I stick it back in the lamp. We are now going to top coat. This is my iGel Beauty, but I use this bottle specifically for glitters. Put your top coat on real well, cover it thoroughly. And we're going to place our 2 little reindeers running across the night sky. Oh, I should have done this in blue, maybe. Ah. 1 little reindeer, 2 little reindeers. Oh, I need some snowflakes. I need some snowflakes. These are... Oh my word. Instagram is going crazy this morning. Is that too many, you think? Too many females? Let me move our reindeer back a little bit. I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Give this a full cure. I think it turned out really cute. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Here is our nail fresh out of the lamp. I think this turned out really super cute. There were 2 reindeer in the sky. We got snow falling. Just like how we've had here in Michigan recently. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future uploads. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching my 24 Days of Christmas with Charlie's Nail Art. Again, you can use my code NAILEDIT10 to save yourself 10% off at checkout. And that is all in caps. Thank you and have a blessed day.